There was an old woman and she lived in the wood. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya. There was an old woman and she lived in the wood down by the river Solia. Well, she had a baby 3 months old. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wheel-ya. She had a baby 3 months old down by the river Solia. And she had a penknife long and sharp. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wheel-ya. She had a penknife long and sharp down by the river Solia. Then she stuck the penknife in the baby's heart. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wheel-ya. She stuck the penknife in the baby's heart down by the river Solia. There were 3 loud knocks come a knocking on the door. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wheel-ya. 3 loud knocks come a knocking on the door down by the river Solia. There were 2 policemen and a special branchman. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wheel-ya. 2 policemen and a special branchman down by the river Solia. So they put the rope around her neck. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wheel-ya. They put the rope around her neck down by the river Solia. Then they pulled the rope and she got hung. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wheel-ya. They pulled the rope and she got hung down by the river Solia. Well, that was the end of the woman in the wood. Wheel-ya, wheel-ya, wheel-ya. And that was the end of the baby too, down by